Hello friends, welcome to JE Tips. Today we have Vijay with us. Vijay is a pass out from RMK, Anna University. After that he worked with Apollo Engineering College for 2 years and he worked with Time Coaching Institute for a year. Welcome Vijay.
Welcome, hello.
So, Vijay, how did you start with your preparation? How did you go with your preparation for your engineering college?
To me, engineering college was an accident actually. I mean, I wanted to do BSc, MSc, MPhil, PhD in zoology. But again, the whole story every guy has after 12th standard. So I was put into engineering rather. So not like I was interested in it. But as days went, I did like whatever I was doing. And so I was interested in getting it further. So I completed my engineering successfully.
So did you go with self-study or you go with like coaching or something?
Coaching for joining engineering?
For joining engineering.
Okay. No, what happened was in 11th and 12th, I did join a coaching institute, Time. That's where I worked also. So I joined that for PMPD, which is medical entrance exam. I didn't click PMPD, so I had to join engineering and I did this.
So how did you like zero down this college? This particular college, RMK?
My only condition was I wanted one of the top 5 and the college that can also help me for my extracurricular activities. So I was also equally focusing on my dance, my badminton, my music, and I used to take tuitions at that point of time for 9th and 10th. So that way I felt RMK was actually little lenient. You pass the exam and they don't make you stay back like 6:30, 7 and all. They send you back with 3. So by timing wise also it was easy for me to take it across and I was fine with any of the top 5 colleges. So I didn't think too much about it.
So you have this specific entrance for RMK.
We don't have entrance in Tamil Nadu as such. The year I joined college, that's when entrance exams were scrapped.
Okay.
So what happened is your board marks.
Okay.
How much you score on maths, physics, chemistry, that's all.
Okay. So how did you like choose your particular branch?
One, I was very clear I can never work with CSE IIT. So I narrowed down on what I can't work with rather than choosing on what I would love to work on. Again, mechanical was something I can never think of. So I dropped those. The remaining courses were something related to bio or something related to physics.
Okay.
Physics in terms of electricity as such. That way I thought electricals and electronics might be a better choice and then narrow down if you want to take up electrical or electronics. So and EC was a category at that point of time. I didn't want to do something what everybody does. And I decided, okay, I'll look about electricals and electronics. I was scared in the beginning because people said triple E is like really very difficult and you wouldn't be coping up really well. But I just took it.
So how would you describe your college in terms of academics?
In terms of academics, it's a mixed bunch. If I'm talking about the faculty, we had a lot of people from IIT who were teaching us, full-time faculty. And at the same time, we had people, they just came up, did nothing. But at the end of the day, it's more of self-study. So, any college, it just happens that way.
So, co-curricular activities at your college?
My college really supported me so much. Every year I went for IIT Chennai and I used to win prizes there. So, they used to give me a day off. So, that way the college was really, really supportive. And even if I had to miss an exam, they were fine with it. So, they were fine with the college.
So, how are the infrastructure facilities in terms of labs and sports facilities at your campus?
I would say they were adequate, but if you had to think beyond the syllabus prescribed to you, I don't think the college had something to do with it. It was definitely lacking behind. But infrastructure, the environment was really good. It's one of the top 10 in India. So
yes.
That's like, okay.
So, how was your living experience there?
People call it as a jail. It is actually a jail because the fact that you can't interact with girls, you have separate stackies for girls, separate mess for boys and girls. But I knew how to derive the maximum out of these prevailing conditions. So that way it was fine. I could live there.
So how about the hostel life?
Hostel, I was not in hostel, so I was staying at home.
Okay.
But things that I heard from people was they did have fun, they did enjoy, beyond, though they had all these restrictions as well.
So, living in the area, did it provide facilities like, preparation for higher studies, like these entrance exams, GRE, GMAT? So, with such facilities available?
Actually, yes. I wrote GATE, I qualified GATE and I wanted to come back to teaching after BE. I wanted to see how much I fit in. So I did join a test series. Okay, I didn't want to go for a classroom coaching. I did join a test series. And there are too many test series. I mean, I was actually confused which one would I narrow down on.
Okay.
But then, yeah, it's good.
So, living cost and fee at your college?
I think it's very nominal. I think it came around 68 odd, along with the food that we were provided, along with the bus, along with the books. 68 per annum to me was in a private college.
And that's
top 5 in an university was okay to me.
So how's the placements there?
The problem I see with RMK is that most of the companies that come in are corporate jobs like TCS, Wipro, HCL. So it's not like a job where you think you would fit in. You're forced to fit in. I did sit for placements. I was placed in TCS, but I knew I will not join TCS. But still, they make you get placed because they want the numbers to be on the list.
So, what was your weekend getaway at the campus at your college?
Weekend getaway at the college? Since I was a day scholar,
Okay.
we were only waiting when would we get a day off.
Yeah.
So we didn't want to come back to the college and feel jail. But it was interesting.
Favorite
I mean, we had a Sunday and Monday as an off.
Oh, that's interesting.
So, yeah.
So, favorite hangout place at your college?
We didn't have a hangout place.
No hangout place.
We have half an hour break for lunch, and that's like to walk down after 10 minutes and 20 minutes to eat. That's
And
all.
then classes.
There's no canteen in our college, I mean, because everything is served.
Okay.
So we don't have a canteen as such in college.
That's interesting. So, best experience at your college?
Best experience, there are quite a few. I mean, we were really encouraged to do apart from the subjects alone.
Okay.
I mean, I wouldn't have thought of presenting technical papers elsewhere and getting awards as such. I always knew I'm good at co-curricular, but I never knew I would really go ahead and do things. So that way college actually supported a lot. I think that experience was very unique to me. I don't think I would have derived it elsewhere at the other private colleges.
Yeah, I can understand. Thank you, Vijay,
My
for
pleasure.
this wonderful conversation.
My pleasure.